Hi there. Here we have a 2008 or might be 9, I have to check that, put it in the advert. Land Rover Defender. It's the 110, 9-seater, 7-seater, sorry, just working out in my head then. It's the got the 2 extra seats in the back, but it's only 5-seaters normally, so it's 7-seater. I think for a Land Rover, this is extremely clean and tidy. We've done quite a bit of work to it. Everything that we found that we needed to do, we've done. It's just been fully serviced. Prior to that, if you look at the chassis is all good, apart from this end part which had gone, and that's had a brand new end. So they cut and weld it from there, and it's had this whole new back end fitted. Because if you're going to tow with like the old ones, they look a bit scabby, so we've replaced it. It's not a nice job, but it's all been done. And the guys were moaning about it, but doing this one. But there we go, it's all been done. As you can see all down the chassis, it's absolutely solid, as is the rest of the chassis. It's at 113,000 miles. I'm not quite sure what that special vehicle sign is for, whether or not that's just a sticker or whether it means something, I really don't know. It's got a factory sunroof. I'll show you down the edge here. This is nice all around the edges here, because normally they go a bit scabby and horrible in them places. If you look up there, you can wind it up from the inside. The interior is all good as well on this. So that's the clear indicators, got the nicer grille. Obviously got all the side steps. I think with that they call that the Puma one. I'm sure I'll get you Land Rover headers out there will correct me if I'm wrong. Like I say, bodywork seems very good. Got all the checker plates on the top there. Wheels and tyres are good. As is, try and show you more of the chassis. Tyre there, let's go around that and I'll show you the insides. Got all the mud flaps on. So that's all the new panel. Carpets, so they're all really lovely conditions. Those seats fold down and then fold up. Those levers there. Headlining's all nice. Say bodywork, I think's pretty exceptional for what it is. Like they come out with dents, they have dents on them from the factory. I think they come out brand new with dents on them. You look down the sides, you can see a little bit dents here and there, but only very minor. But I've yet to see one that hasn't got dents on these, to be honest. Right, on this back here. So right, we'll just do this to 2 hands. Bear with the film at the moment. There we go. Back seats are all good. And you've got leg room as well, which is quite unusual. Carpet's all the way good here. That's something that's just blown in there. That's the dash from the back view. Back seats, no rips. All the headrests are there. These steps fold up as well. It's got the heated front and rear screens, quick clear screens. Then you've got heated seats as well, electric windows. the checker plate around there. Bonnet's nice. Looks well with the clear indicators. Didn't show the wheels and tyres this side, did I? So I'm easily distracted. And then have a look down at the chassis where you can see it has been undersealed. Which one of this age you would want that to be undersealed? It drives well. I think it's just passed an MOT with no issues. So thank you for looking. I'll show you this side actually. I haven't gone through this have I yet? There you go. How forgetful am I? Right. Turn the key. Key's always the wrong side, I think, with these. 113,919. Fuel lights just come on. Starter, there you go. Engine lights all gone off as they should. Fuel light won't go off until I spend some money. She runs nice. I don't know if you can see the heated screen in that, if it shows or not. Those are the buttons for the heated front and rear screens. Electric windows. Seats are all good. Turn that off there. You always do that click on those check straps. Again, carpet's all good. Seats all good. I'll do the two. You do this one and the 2 seat comes down. There we go. You can see they fold up again. It's just I'm too lazy to do it. To get in and out a bit easier. I've taken pictures of the engine. Like I say, it's just been serviced. 7-seat, 110, 58 plate. So thank you for looking.